Hello everyone, welcome back to the next section. So in this section we're going to take a look at the black and white adjustments or black and white adjustment layer. Before selecting that, we want to know the colors or keep it in mind the colors. This area is or the top is red, then the middle area is yellow, then it's blue. But keep it in mind red, yellow, then blue, and this area is covered with pure white. Okay, you don't want to bother about that. Let's go and select the black and white adjustment layer. Instantly it will change into black and white. You can see the difference. So the area covers a lot of color seekers and something, and the rest of the things are familiar with us. There's a preset value and hand tool is available here. Then tint. What is tint? Tint is a shade or a particular color. That's tint. We can add a tint, which means we can add a particular color or shade. Then here auto correction is available. Let's click the auto and look at that, it's changed like this. So it's the before and after. Okay, let's delete this. Then let's take the hand, or let's start with the hand tool. Let's select the hand tool, and I all told you this portion is red, then yellow, blue. Let's keep it here and drag right side. Look at that, the red area is moving to here and it became more white. Let's move back, then drag to here, it became more dark. Okay, let's click here. This area is covered with yellow. When it goes right, look at that, these yellows are moving, it became white or bright. Then here it became dark. Then keep it here, that's blue color. Blue changes. So this is the hand tool. That's we can sample the colors and change into bright or dark side. Select and change. Then the next, I told you what is tint. Tint is a particular color or shade. Look at that, it instantly added a shade to it. So we can click here and select any color from the color picker. Green, blue, or keep here, then select the saturation, keep it down, down, down. Okay, how it looks before and after. There is a blue color. Okay, a blue color is added here. A small diluted blue color, low saturation blue color added to the black and white color. Actually, this is a simple and easy adjustment if you want to make your image black and white. Let's go back. Then we have some awesome presets available. Great results when we select. So let's select the blue filter first. The blue colors or the hard colors are, some of the colors are adjusted, especially cyan, blues and magenta, and also the reds, yellows just keep dark. Red, yellow, green came dark, but cyan, blue, magenta goes bright. Then let's move into the next one, darker like this. Then green filter, high contrast blue filter, high contrast red, infrared, lighter, maximum black, maximum white, neutral density, red filter, yellow filter, then the custom. This is a drop down, we have a bunch of items available. Anyway, this is all about the black and white filter. Default and change into auto correction. And if we take a copy of this and decrease the fill value, look at that, this decreases the, or it increases the saturation, before, after. Now also it looks, it's like a faded one. Well, we are winding up this section. This is all about the black and white. Creative users will make the black and white adjustments more useful in editing. I hope you got it. the black and white adjustment layer. I hope you are clear. We are moving to the next one. Thank you.